California, and I am an Ascend Foundation student and part of a certificate track. When someone asks me what the Ascend program is, I tell them that the Ascend program is a program under Unbound, and it's more personal. It teaches various life skills, leadership skills, resilience, and it also involves both personal and team projects. And on top of that, it includes a community that values the same things you do. When someone asks me what I'm doing for college, that's an interesting question because I tell them I'm not going to college. It's something I thought long and hard about because the world tells you you should go to college or you have to go to college because, well, you're not going to be successful if you don't. So that was a big fear of mine, and I've been all over the place trying to think of where should I go to college, what should I do? First of all, I'm in junior year of high school, so this is my first year of doing Ascend. In my senior year, I'll be doing Ascend for a second year, and post-high school, I will be taking a break from school or education besides doing Ascend. After my last year of Ascend, I want to go to a music trade school for 18 months. I enrolled in Ascend not only because a parent enrolled me in it. I had previously enrolled in a different program within Unbound, and one day a parent came up to me and said, "Hey, you're gonna be doing Ascend," and I was like, "That's cool," but they showed me what it would be, what I was going to be a part of, and I became really excited about it. I value the skills that Ascend provides, and I want to be able to thrive as much as possible when I go out into the world. Going to Apex for the first time, it was unreal. I'm a very quiet person, reserved. I don't like to be part of big crowds, and Apex involved a pretty big crowd, but once I walked out of the bus, I was overwhelmed in a good way with a sense of warmth. First of all, the scenery was beautiful, but there was so many people playing games. There was people to my left on the grass field playing volleyball, spike ball, or just hearing the laughter and commotion in the background. And I felt a sense of comfort. And not only that, people were so welcoming. I've never had someone come up to me and be like, "Hey, I'm so glad you're here." And that melted my heart, and it was a really great experience. Now that I've enrolled in Ascend for a few months, the biggest challenge I'm facing is opening up. There's a lot of information or questions or even just written assignments that you have to do that are very personal, and my whole life I've always bottled things up, so having to open up to my team and other people has been the biggest challenge for me. My Ascend project is to build a home studio. I love music. I want to go into music. I've done it for years, and I thought that it would be a great thing to be able to create a safe space to do my music, to produce my music, or just have fun. I think having a comfort space or an outlet in a very comfortable, space, or somewhere I can acquire easily is a great start. One thing I would tell someone if they're considering Ascend, or to, prepare themselves for, is time management. It is talked about in Ascend, but knowing it beforehand, an idea of it, is really big. There's multiple courses and assignments that can take really long, and I think if you're not prepared, and if you lead a busy life and then you have this on top, it can become a chore, and Ascend is something you should be excited about and not like a burden or a chore. So definitely learn how to manage your time before coming to Ascend.